How to fix cursor jumping in Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like cursor jumping on your Windows 11. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the run command. So for that, you can as usual go in the source field and type for run, or you can also use the shortcut key Windows plus R, and from the run command you'll have to just type the command like main.cpl, and after you type the main.cpl you'll have to just click on OK. Alright, so from the mouse property section you'll have to go the options like pointer option, so simply click on it. Alright, so from the pointer options section, make sure that you have turned on these features like enhance pointer precision. So from your you'll have to just turn off this feature from your enhance pointer precision. So after you turn off, you'll have to just click on this apply, and after you click on that, you'll have to just again tap on OK, and after you set the settings on your mouse property, you'll be able to fix that problem on your Windows 11. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.